In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage Google Vids for your video marketing campaigns effectively. Video marketing has become a non-negotiable part of a successful digital strategy, and with Google Vids, creating captivating video content has never been easier. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting, this guide will help you navigate through Google Vids to launch your campaign with confidence. First things first, begin by navigating to Google Vids. This can simply be done by typing Google Vids into your browser and selecting the first result, or even easier, follow the link for direct access. Google Vids integrates seamlessly with the Google Workspace, making it an excellent tool for creating marketing videos. Once you're on the Google Vids page, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on it. If you're already logged into your Google account, you won't need to sign in again. But if not, this step is crucial. After clicking sign in, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Select the account you wish to use for your video marketing campaign. This account will be the hub for all your video marketing content, so choose the one that's most relevant to your business or the specific campaign you're working on. Once you're signed in, it's time to create your video. Locate and click on File in the top menu, which will reveal a drop-down menu. Here you're looking for the option labeled New Video, which, as you might guess, is your gateway to creating a new video project. Clicking this will take you straight into the creative part of Google Vids. Now you're all set to start crafting your video. Begin by typing in marketing campaigns in the search bar. This allows you to find relevant templates or guidance specific to creating a marketing campaign video. Remember, the right keywords can lead you to the perfect starting point. After entering your keywords, go ahead and click on Next. This moves you into the arrangement phase. Here you have the freedom to edit the arrangement of your content, tweaking it until it aligns perfectly with your vision for the campaign. Feel free to experiment and see what works best for your message. Once you're happy with the arrangement, hit Next again. Now it's time to select a design to start with. Google Vids offers a range of designs tailored to different messages and audiences. Spend some time here selecting a design that matches the tone, style, and message of your marketing campaign. This design will act as a foundation, setting the tone for the rest of your video. After selecting your design, you'll be one click away from bringing your vision to life. Simply click on Create the Draft Video to start fleshing out your project. This is where the magic happens. Your chosen design and arrangement come together as a draft, ready for you to edit further, add your content, and fine-tune to perfection. Remember, creating an effective marketing video is not just about arranging visuals and texts. It's about telling a story that resonates with your audience, delivering a message that compels action, and creating an experience that leaves a lasting impression. Use Google Vids to craft that message creatively and engagingly. As you work through the process, don't hesitate to play around with the features available in Google Vids. Experimenting can often lead to discovering the perfect element that elevates your video from good to great. In conclusion, Google Vids is an incredibly powerful tool for video marketing, offering flexibility, creativity, and ease of use. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating effective and engaging marketing videos that can captivate your target audience. Remember, the key to a successful video marketing campaign lies not just in the tools you use, but in the stories you tell and the emotions you evoke. So dive in, start creating, and let your brand story unfold in the most compelling way possible. Thank you for tuning into today's tutorial. Happy video creating!